Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to open a margin account on Interactive Brokers step by step. First, head to the Interactive Brokers client portal and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you should see the main dashboard. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a user menu icon. It looks like a head and shoulders. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down, click on Settings. This will open the settings page where you'll see various account configuration options. In the settings page, navigate to the Account Configuration section and click on Account Type. This opens the Account Type configuration screen. On this screen, you'll see an Account Type drop-down menu. Click on it and select Margin. The full option is usually labeled Margin Reg T. Once you've selected it, you'll see margin displayed in the drop-down. Next, click the Continue button. You may see a screen asking if you want to change your trading permissions. Just select Yes or No, depending on what you need. If that screen doesn't appear, you'll move straight to the next step. Now you'll see a short regulatory questionnaire. This asks a few yes or no questions to confirm you understand interest, buying power, and liquidation. Answer each question by selecting yes or no, then click Continue. If you don't have two-factor authentication enabled through the secure login system, Interactive Brokers will email you a confirmation number. Check your email, copy the confirmation number, and enter it in the field provided on screen. Then click Continue. If you already have two-factor authentication set up, you'll skip this step entirely. Next, you'll see one or more risk disclosure forms. On each form, type your name in the signature field exactly as it appears on your account. Once you've signed, click Continue. There might be multiple disclosures to sign through, so just repeat this for each one. Finally, you'll see a confirmation message saying your request has been submitted. Click OK to finish. Approval is usually same day or within 1 business day, though existing accounts can take up to 2 business days. You'll receive an email once your margin account is approved. Once it's active, any purchase beyond your available cash will automatically use margin. There's nothing extra to activate. Just be aware that while you can upgrade from cash to margin, you can't downgrade a margin account back to cash. So make sure you're ready for margin trading before you upgrade. And that's how to open a margin account on Interactive Brokers. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.